Let's make the perfect homemade shawarma. In a glass bowl, we add our cut chicken and some ginger and garlic, onions, some stock cubes, pepper, and some curry powder. We'll mix our chicken well and let it rest for 5 minutes. And in another bowl, mix our mayonnaise, ketchup, and hot sauce. We'll mix it well and keep it aside. So I'm going to cut some cabbage and grate some carrots. Also finely cut some cucumbers, and I'm going to do that using my grater. As you can see here, I removed the seeds of the cucumber because I usually don't like it. So why I'm using this grater to cut my cucumbers is because I want it super thin. I don't want it big. I don't like biting into it chunky. You can chop your vegetables how you want. Solely depends on you. So here I'm going to mix my veggies in a bowl and add my sauce to mix it together because that's what I prefer. And I'll go ahead to add a little oil in my pan and go in with my marinated chicken. And I'm going to add some water to allow it to cook. And I want to use the water. I want the stock, or I don't know what to call it. I shall want it. In the same pan, you add a little bit of oil and fry your 6 sausages. This is our shawarma bread, so we'll go ahead and just rub a little bit of our sauce on the edges so that it can remain put in the shawarma. After then, we'll just fold our shawarma and grill it in our oven or non-stick pan. You can also use a grill if you have one, like what I'm going to use here. So you just go ahead and tuck your fillings in and fold it just the way I did, and so you can see all the fillings remain inside, no leakage and no breakage. Just like that, your shawarma is ready. Please guys, go ahead and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Like, share my video. Thanks guys. Bye.